Taketa city has a population of around 22,000 and an area of about 500 square kilometers. The city was formed with the merger of four towns, Taketa, Ogi, Kuzu, and Naoiri. Today, we're going to show you the town of Taketa, which has developed as a castle town of Oka Castle. This statue is of Mr. Tanomura Chikuden. A total of 8 Tanomura Chikuden Nanga paintings located in the town corner. This facility is used as a Christian research institute and also a museum.
Good afternoon.
This is the Bale of Santiago. First, I would like you to hear the sound. Yes, the sound is really strong. Actually, the bell weighs 108 kilograms. It is a replica of precisely the same material that weighs 108 kilograms as well. The bell symbolizes the culture of the castle town of Taketa. The major difference in Taketa is that the castle concealed these bells and statues, which the feudal lord might have recognized for some reason. Finding anything special in a totally different direction from hidden Christians is very rare. There is a cave chapel here, but the Bukeyasuki street is on the side that goes all the way to the front, which is not normal considering that time period. This is the ruins of the Christian cave chapel. The ruins of the chapel are at that end, and the cave to the right is where the priest used to stay. This place is called Ikoi no Hiroba, and the 16 arhats are behind this pine tree.
Is there a Buddha statue here?
Yes, there are 16 pieces. It seems that it was made exactly 200 years ago. The statue here is a disciple of Buddha. It looks like a very high-ranking monk. At the time of Chikuraku, about 3,000 people will be here in this space.
Oh, really?
This is the Takirentaro Memorial Museum. He came at the age of 12 and spent 2.5 years here. In the old days, this used to be samurai's residence. Rentaro Take's father was appointed as the mayor of Naoiri district in 1884. It is a house which was designed as an official residence. This is called Mendelssohn Roses, imported from Germany. Takirentaro was born in Meiji era. The sound of geta, the sound of the running water, the sound of the birds, the sound of the swinging bamboo leaves can also be heard. This is Takirentaro Tunnel. You can hear a song composed by Takirentaro when you pass by. The one playing right now must be Kozunotsuki.
Kozunotsuki, right? I think tourists might get surprised when they listen to this.
Yes.
Water flows here and you can hear various sounds.
Yes. This is Chikuden-sho, the birthplace of Tanomura Chikuden. Chikuden's family is a family of doctors of the clan for generations. The clan must have recognized the talent early. There weren't many people who could paint and write kanji even at that time. It's a brush mound. It shows the gratefulness to the brush. The calligraphy here is a little hard to see. You can see the castle town over there. This is the Bukeyasuki Street, one of the famous streets of the historical town.
Bukeyasuki Street?
Yes. Hirose Takeo was the commander of a navy in 1945. And this is the shrine called Hirose Shrine. The stone steps are lined with the lanterns during the bamboo festival, which looks very attractive. Oka Castle ruins is one of the most famous stone castle ruins in Japan. It is famous as being related to the song Kozunotsuki. Cherry blossoms in the spring and the autumn leaves in the winter gives a wonderful view.
Good afternoon.
This is the main saffron rice. We have used freshly picked saffron.
It looks beautiful.
Next to it is a boiled dish, and that one is a broth duck soup. This is a saffron rice.
Let's eat. This is delicious.
Please come to Taketa, a town with history, culture, and fresh water.